Hi guys, Squarespace Review 2025 still the most stylish website builder review. If you know anything from other Squarespace review, it's probably that Squarespace is crowned as the most stylish builder, and you now what? I totally agree. Most of the 100 plus template offer a modern and colorful and well optimized. You do not need to take my word for it. Squarespace website design or template consistently win web award. This is a of winning design. It's quite impressive. So if you are all about style, use my discount deal below or the QR code on the screen to get the best deal. Of course, you cannot call yourself the best website builder these days without AI implementation, and I am going to be frank with you. Squarespace AI is a very it is sort of non-existent in the designing part. Like sure, I can add certain section to a website and choose from a few options, but this is a very limited and not really creating anything new. There an AI written that can fill your site with relative text, and that it for AI. Yeah, no more tools or implementation. It is kind of disappointing when smaller providers like Hostinger have full on AI template generator as well as a free tool AI tool. Adrian Squarespace design. Doing a Squarespace review in 2024, it's important to note that we covered its last big update card refresh, and there seemed to be improvement from last time, specifically in the all platform speed. Editing sometimes could have felt slow, but now it's way better. I just love the Squarespace editor. It's so limited that I can sometimes even forget that I'm editing a website compared to it. Something like Wix, which just throw everything at you, feel overwhelming. Pairing this with the smooth drag and drop control and nice selection of different element, I can confidently recommend Squarespace for beginners. To help you out, Squarespace has a guide that can help you design, and it shows you exactly when the element you are dragging is in the middle of the page. I also like the Squarespace including more unique elements than just text or image. You get SoundCloud player donation and even Amazon integration. Squarespace pricing and e-commerce. So how much will this cost you? Squarespace is the premier builder with the 14-day trial. You can create as many test sites as you need, but you cannot public them. Overall, the pricing is okay, slightly overpriced if you are not looking to run up. This is the website, but each plan comes with that free domain name for a year and allow you to sell a services if you want to sell physical product. Go for the business plan. However, I really like that Squarespace does not tax you so much for monthly subscription, so it's valuable option if you want do not like prepaying for things. But no matter what, don't forget to use discount. You can add the newest one in the description. Another aspect for the Squarespace website builder that I like the simplicity of the managing and marketing tool. Squarespace is good for e-commerce, yeah, maybe not for a complex or large store, but you can easily create email campaign, manage inventory, create a promotional material. But do note that most useful e-commerce feature will be locked under the higher type plan. How fast for Squarespace website? Last but not least, we should cover performance. Google, the almighty exponential on search engine recommending loading within 2.5 seconds for the best research result optimization or SEO tool. For short, if your website load slowly, Google can just push it down in search result. Running a newly built website drove page speed inside a free tool from Google Script managed to be just on that 2.5-second line. I also wanted to test a few websites that Squarespace itself advertises, and the result they are very similar, hovering around the 2.4 to 2.8 second mark. Is this a bad performance? Not really, but it could be better as a provider like Hostinger website builder can load a website in around 1 second. So fingers crossed that Squarespace will invest in some newer tech in the near future.